This delicious tangy snack is easier to make than you might think, and today I am going to show you how. First up, the ingredients. For the fried pickles, you'll need a 16-ounce jar of dill pickle slices, a cup of all-purpose flour, a cup of cornmeal, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of salt and black pepper. Each 2 eggs, a 1/4 cup of milk, and vegetable oil for frying. For the dipping sauce, you'll need half a cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of ketchup, a tablespoon of horseradish, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and salt and pepper to taste. Now let's get cooking. Start by draining the pickle slices on paper towels. Be sure to pat them dry so the coating sticks well. Next, onto the dipping sauce. Combine mayonnaise, ketchup, horseradish, paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper in a small bowl. Adjust the seasonings to your taste and refrigerate until ready to serve. For the coating, combine flour, cornmeal, garlic powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, salt, and black pepper in a shallow dish. In another dish, beat the eggs and milk together. Now coat the pickles. Dip each slice first into the egg mixture, then dredge in the flour cornmeal mixture. Repeat the process for an extra crunchy coating. Time to fry the pickles. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit in a large skillet or deep fryer. Fry the coated pickle slices in batches until they're golden brown and crispy, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Drain the fried pickles on a plate lined with paper towels. Finally, serve the fried pickles hot with the prepared dipping sauce on the side. Remember, while dill pickle slices are traditional, feel free to experiment with different types of pickles for varied flavors. Maintaining the correct oil temperature is crucial. If the oil is too hot, the pickles will brown too quickly without getting crispy. If it's too cool, the pickles will absorb too much oil and become soggy. And remember, fried pickles are best enjoyed fresh and hot for maximum crispiness. For more delicious recipes like this, make sure to like and subscribe to Magnolia Moon.